In my dream last night, I was with some friends at the boardwalk. We saw some food trucks in the distance and decided to run there to get our meal. Soon, though, I found myself alone as my friends ran there easily, but my legs wouldn't work fast enough. It felt like I was running through deep water. I kept running in slow motion, but couldn't get any closer to my friends. Not only that, but I awoke exhausted, as if I had actually run in my dreams.
Slow motion running in dreams is a universal dream experience across cultures. That dramatically slow sprint you're attempting could be a manifestation of your daily life. Do you feel that there's something resisting your progress in waking life? When you dream that you lack the strength or endurance to run, there is either something going on in your life that you want to get away from, or there is something or someone that you need to run toward. But in either situation, you don't have the courage or willpower you needed to do it. Maybe you are dealing with a challenge in your profession, or you are in a bad relationship and you need to run away from the situation. Or perhaps you need to run towards someone, a new career, another place, and you're having problems getting your heart right for that run. What is going on in your life that you need to change or get away from? Are you having a hard time making a change?